BBC Midlands Today in Briley Hill.
It really is clever stuff. If you haven't had a go, try it. It's good fun. Right, let's move to the weather now. It's still incredibly mild. Let's find out if it's going to stay that way. But Shefali, I think the thing that's concerning a lot of people is more rain.
Absolutely right, Mary. Yes, it was mild and it was largely dry today, which is a good thing because we have got more rain on the way, and that's not going to bode very well for our rising river levels, especially the River Severn and the River Wye. We can see here at Ironbridge in Shropshire the rivers are fairly bloated, but we've got a number of flood alerts in place along those rivers, but also now one flood warning that came into place over the past few hours, and that's for Frankwell at Shrewsbury along the River Severn. But it was cloudy today, but largely dry. We had some drizzly bits and pieces of rain. You had to retreat to somewhere higher in order to get a glimmer of brightness. But this is the front that's heading our way through this evening and overnight, and it's quite an active affair. After that, this ridge of high pressure builds into tomorrow, so tomorrow's not too bad, but then we have another area of rain passing through for the start of the weekend, and that's going to usher in this showery regime for Sunday, a deepening area of low pressure. So you can see again the squeeze on those isobars is really quite tight. So we are looking at windy conditions. And on Sunday, the wind direction will turn to a westerly from the southwesterlies that we currently have. So temperatures may dip back down to normal for the time of year, but still good for the time of year. So around 7 to 8 Celsius. But dry for tomorrow, as I say, outbreaks of rain otherwise. Back to tonight then, here's this band of rain that's swiftly moving in from the west, and it'll clear the region by the end of the night. But on its way, the winds are going to be strengthening, so we could see gusts of around 40 to 45 miles per hour, and on its leading edge it could be quite heavy. So once it's out of the way, we're looking at a clear end to the night and a dry one. Our temperatures down to 5 to 7 Celsius, so that's the same sort of value that we saw last night. It's not too cold. And then tomorrow we wake up to plenty of sunshine and dry weather, so a nice contrast to today. But it's through the afternoon that we'll see a bit of cloud bubbling up. Our temperatures 9 to 11 Celsius, so again mild for the time of year. Today we saw highs of 12. Tomorrow night then, we've got some showery bits and pieces of rain, shrapnel showers ahead of that main band that passes through on Saturday, which is going to be fairly wet. As I say, showers for Sunday.
It's looking a bit soggy, isn't it, Chef? Thanks ever so much. That is all from us for now. Your late update will be coming up at about 10:30. Have a good evening. Bye for now.